بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى أهله وأصحابه أجمعين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You're welcome to this course, Arabic Reading and Writing for Beginners. This is an overview of the speech organs and the alphabet. The study of the speech organs requires the aid of a sliced human head diagram. These organs from the front to the back are the lips, the teeth, the tongue, the roof of the mouth. The roof of the mouth is made up of the alveolar ridge, the hard palate, and the soft palate. The rest are the uvula, the throat, and the vocal cords. These organs are supplied with the air for the speech production by the lungs present in the chest of the human. Air pushed out through the lungs moves up the trachea, otherwise known as the windpipe, to the larynx, known also as the voice box. Then the vocal cords in the larynx convert the air into sound. When the air then moves up the throat and escapes through the mouth, an oral sound is produced, and for this to take place, the velum must be raised. But when the velum is lower, then the air moves through the throat to the nasal cavity and flows out from the nose. The sound is said to be nasal. But some sounds are both nasal and oral. The oral sounds are either vowels or consonants. The Arabic alphabets that are used as long vowels are produced when there is no obstruction in the movement of air in the vocal tract. But the consonants are produced when one speech organ collides with another and cause an obstruction in the movement of the air from the throat to the mouth. Then the point of obstruction is called the place of articulation, while the way the collision occurs is known as the manner of articulation. Two of the speech organs, the throat and the tongue, are divided into parts based on the distance of each from the lips. The bottom of the throat is where the vocal cords, the originators of sounds, dwell. Then the middle. This is where the epiglottis is situated. The epiglottis is the flap that prevents the entry of foods and drinks into the larynx. The third part of the throat is the nearest to the lips, and it is the space facing the roots of the tongue. As for the tongue, the bottom of the back lies opposite to the soft palate, while the middle part faces the hard palate. The tip of the tongue is the front part of the tongue, and it finishes at a point that could be referred to as the apex. So that is a brief introduction to the speech organs and the Arabic alphabets. In the lectures ahead, inshallah, I shall give detailed explanations about them. And this means that I shall be explaining the places and the manners of articulations of the Arabic alphabet in the lectures, among others. But the concentration will be more on the places of articulations as taken from the Tajweed poem of Imam Muhammad ibn Jazari rahimahullah. Note that the places of articulations in Arabic is called makharijul huruf, while the manners of articulation is called sifatul huruf. Now let's start.